Good morning, sir. My name is Om Prakash. Today topic is unchecked exception, checked exception. Introduction to exception. Exception are event that disturb the normal flow of a program execution. They are occur due to various reasons such as invalid user input to reserve unavailability. Understanding exception are circle for effective error handling in programming languages. Next topic is what are checked exceptions. Checked exception are exceptions that must be either thought declared in the method signature. They are typically are used for recoverable conditions that are problem should anti-kept and handle. Examples include exception, SQL exception which indicate issues the input and output operation and database access respectively. Next topic is character or checked exception. Checked exception are checked at compile time ensuring that programmer address them. The enough coverage developers to write robot code by forcing them to consider potential failure points. Failing to handle or checked exception can result in a complement errors. Next topic is what are unchecked exception. Unchecked exception do not require explicit handling or declaration in the method signature. These exceptions typically indicate program errors such as logical mistakes or incorrect exception. Common examples include null pointer exception and array index out of bound exception. Characteristic unchecked exception. Unchecked exception are not checked compile time, which means they can occur at running time. They often reflect serious problems that are not accepted to be received from developers are encouraged to prevent unchecked exception through careful coding practices. Next topic difference between checked unchecked exception. Checked exception must be declared from a thought. Unchecked exception can be incarnated. Checked exceptions are used for anti-captured errors while checked exceptions signal programming errors. The handling unchecked exception increase code robustness while unchecked exception highlight areas for improvement. Differences between checked and unchecked. Next tab is best practice for handling exception. Always handle checked exception opportunity to maintain program stability. Used unchecked exception for programming errors that should not occur during normal exception. Documentation section clearly to inform user maintainers about possible issues. Conclusion of exception handling. Understanding the between checked unchecked exception is essential for developers. Effective exception handling result in more reliable and maintainable code. By following best practice, developers can create applications that carefully handling errors. Next topic is question and discuss. Do you have any question about checked unchecked exception? Let us discuss real world series where you have encounters exception in our programming experience. Sharing expansions cannot be deepen our understanding effective exception management. Free fall modify and contained request additional dialogues. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.